Are you ready to go play in the snow? Girls, you ready? Sit. Wait. Gotta wait. Go! Hi, silly girl. Silly goof. Alright, there's at least a foot of snow drifted right here, and I can't even really see. Oh! Oh! Willow, don't eat the bird seeds. You're silly. Crazy munchkin. I absolutely need to wash my face, brush my teeth, brush my hair. I don't know what kind of angle you were just getting, but here we are. Of course, I had to bring my phone charger home. So, this little black tag thing is on here, and I just freaked out because I thought that it was a spider going down my cord. So there's that. Oh no. And now this whole thing is just going to be chaotic. And Kate, let me put you down because anyways. So I figured I would do my little skincare thingamabob, thingamaboob. And just show you because I'm trying to do this vlogging thing and clearly it's going swimmingly as you can see by the angle and everything. But yeah, so welcome to my bathroom. This is what I use. Actually, I'll show you. Yeah. This one's the Garnier Skin Active Water Rose Micellar Cleansing Water
with rose water and glycerin. Don't know what any of that means, but I loved this one. So it's all-in-one hydrating. It's just basically like a water cleanser. A lot of people use this, probably not revolutionary. But anyways, when I was at the store to get a refill, because I was out of that one, I got this one, which is the vitamin C. the vitamin C all-in-one brightening cleanser. So, yeah, brightening. I feel like my skin looks really dull all the time. That might be just because I'm pale as hell. I think I'm hilarious sometimes, clearly. Oh, that'd probably be beneficial. But yeah, I don't like using a lot of intense stuff. So what I do use is very, very limited. So I use this cleanser and a moisturizer, basically, on my face because otherwise it freaks out. And I don't really wear that much makeup anyways. And when I do, I just do this several times because I don't have gigantic cotton things for that reason exactly. Like usually I just need one. I always go around my neck because I always put makeup along my jawline because I'm paranoid about having a double chin. I don't really, but I'm 2 years away from 30. I don't really care about my age, but I'm 2 years away from 30. And that high metabolism that kept me streamlined for years is definitely slowing down now. But my sugar intake is definitely a lot higher too, so probably compounded effect. This is the moisturizer. Hi, Willow. What are you doing? You want to come be in the video? You want to come be in the video? Oh. Say hi. She hates me. No, she doesn't. Where's a good baby? Yes. Where's a good baby? Oh. As she slowly walks out of the room, pissed off. Anyways, what is it? Huh? Did you come give me a hug? You want to give me a hug? Come here. Yeah. Oh, hug time. Hug time. Willow gives the best huggies. It gives the best huggies. Yeah. She's freaking out now. Anyways, this is the moisturizer that I use. It's the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Gel Cream Extra Dry with Hyaluronic Acid. There we go. This one. Come on. I think that's as good as we're going to get. I do have... Oh, it's a little... I need to dust my house. Let's not talk about it. I also have the Hydro Boost City Shield Water Gel Sunscreen from them, which is basically... Bonnie's mad now that I gave Willow a hug and not her. I'll get to it. But yeah, this is the sunscreen version. I tried this and it immediately made my skin freak out. So I just went ahead and got this one because I didn't want to take the chance on dog hair. Oh, dog hair. Oh, that's what I get for... Anyways. I didn't want to take the chance on using it all the time and irritating my skin. So I just got the one that I was used to. This is my second jar of this stuff. It's actually really great. I love this stuff. I use it almost every day. It lasts a really long time. I think the last one that I had lasted me at least 6 months or more. It was probably more than that. Girls, be nice. They're being grumbly with each other. We do that whenever I give one of them love and not the other. But I don't want to get... Bonnie's fur comes off like crazy. Hang on. Let me wipe my hands. Yeah, I know. Come here. Come here, mommy will hold the baby. I will hold the baby. She can smell my face stuff, and she's not enthused. This is the Bonnie. Look at the camera. There she is. This is Bonnie Belle. The other one was Willow Bear. Bonnie's my baby. She's my baby. Yeah. I hold her like a toddler and everything. She's a good girl. Yeah. Oh. She's the snuggle bug. There you go. Now they'll be happy. But yeah, so that's basically all I do. Hi, baby. And yeah. My hair has actually gotten really, really long. We're going to use some of this detangler thing. Because once your hair gets down to, I guess my hair is like down to my belly button when I have it this way, but when it's back this way, it's almost down to my lower back, like right above my butt. So anyways, I use this Aussie Total Miracle detangling spray. I have to use a detangler because when your hair is this long, you can't keep it untangled. Or at least I can't. I think my hair is naturally like wavy curly. Not curly, but more on the wavy side. So, fixing the lighting. It didn't really do anything. We're just going to ignore it. But anyways, it's naturally on the more wavy side. So, in turn, it's also a bit frizzy. And I think that's why it gets tangled so easily. Also, anything underneath here, craziness. Because I wear a lot of hoodies and my hair just pulls across it. I'm not doing my hair today. It's not worth it. I'm not going anywhere. Home alone today. I am so surprised at how long my hair is, though. Maybe I'll put a little bit of hair oil on the ends, because it's just always, like, it's not damaged, but it's just like the bottom's always so frizzy and tingly. I figure if I put some oil through the bottoms of it, it's like a hair and body oil. Got it from TJ Maxx a long time ago. It's just one of the random oils with like flower essence or something in it. But I like using it on the ends of my hair because it keeps it from being so insanely like frizzy looking on the ends, which is usually where the issue is. I don't know if I've done a video. Yeah, there should be a video on my channel. There's really not that many. I don't know why I'm acting like there are. But there should be a video on my channel where my hair was red. It was like red. I'm out of breath today. Probably because I'm talking so freaking much. Anyways, so my hair used to be red. And as you can see on the top, for sure. Honestly, the bottom too is kind of going back to its normal color. It's got a bit of that like auburn, strawberry blonde tint, which isn't bad. The lady who did my hair, who always does my hair, did it in a way that so that whenever it grew out and faded out, it would look more natural. So I'm trying to just let it go. I don't want to do the whole chemical crap on my hair again. I don't like having to go back to the salon every several months and redo everything. So I just wanted my hair to grow back out. I didn't feel like myself with the red hair. It was nice and empowering for a little while, but now I've been contemplating like, should I dye it pink? I really want to dye my hair pink because I'm in this weird phase where I love everything pink suddenly. But yeah. So this is where my hair is at. I'm hoping when summer rolls around, I had bangs. They're way too long now. They're growing out. That might have been a mistake, getting bangs, but I am so scatterbrained. I can't think freaking straight. Let's just put my hair up. But what I was saying is that when summer rolls around, I'm hoping that I'll get some like sun bleached bits and it'll it'll even out the darker colors that are underneath here, as you can see. But anyways, just gonna put my hair up in a bun, brush my teeth, and then probably go watch some videos on YouTube, and then, I don't know, probably do some form of art or play Animal Crossing for 5 hours like I did yesterday and didn't get a whole lot done. Well, I got some stuff done, but not like what I wanted. Nice. I am going to let myself drink my coffee, and then I'll go brush my teeth, and probably won't show you because it's not that exciting. It's just brushing my teeth. Very boring. So yeah, this vlogging thing is kind of exhausting, like talking to yourself all the time. Today is Sunday. My plan is to work on some astrology studies, and I really want to clean up this area, so I think then yeah, I'll probably sit down and do a little bit of studying, drink my coffee, and potentially work on my piece for the exhibit. So exciting stuff.